Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're continuing to learn how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. And today we're going to look at audiobooks and all the languages that we have available for you to listen to. Now in the app we have multiple languages in which we have multiple audiobooks that you can listen. Why don't we take a look here on the app, and you can see when I open up my audiobooks, it gives you all the languages that we have available. We have English, Deutsch, Espanol, Francais, Italiano, Mauritian Creole, Portuguese, Romano, Russian, Kinyarwanda, Serbian, Swahili, and Chinese. Now, you can see all the different languages, and you can also see the flags and the titles, but then you see a little number at the end. What that number represents is the number of audiobooks that we have available for you to listen to in that language. So like in English, we have 228, and in Espanol, we have 104. In Francais, we have 6, Italiano 9, Portuguese 100, Romano 7, and Russian 13. Now, once you've opened up the language, it then takes you to the bookshelf and you're ready to tap on a book cover and listen to the book. Once you tap on listening to the audiobook, away you go. Well, thank you for joining us today for another episode of EGW Tech Tips. Hope this little tutorial on learning how to use all the different languages has been beneficial to your listening and pleasure. Thank you for joining us. Have a nice day.